is September 21st. I want some money and dog for my birthday. There are 5 people in my family. This is my father. I have 2 dogs. My favorite color is purple. Thank you. That's all. Hi, my name is Sydney. I'm in the 2nd grade. I go to Nagasaki Elementary School. I go to school by car. I'm 8 years old. My birthday is July 26th. I want a dog and some money for my birthday. There are 5 people in my family. This is my mother. I have a turtle. My favorite color is green. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Yuki. I'm 2nd grade. I go to Nishi Elementary School. I go to school by car. I'm 7 years old. My birthday is March 15th. I want some money and mountain bike for my birthday. There are 5 people in my family. This is my mother. I have hamster. My favorite color is